Hello, this is Paulo Wallace, and this is my video blog about my 5 key affirmations. The first question that I would like to answer is, what are the 3 most important things in my life? Of course, first is my family, and also I'd like to say that my pets are important to me. Maybe, I don't know. That's just me, and I think God is already a given, so I'm not gonna include God in that because He is important. Um, Maybe my third most important thing in my life is, of course, my hard question. I think it's leaning over my relationships with other people because I really have a hard time maintaining my relationships with other people. So I think it's supposed to be one of my important things in my life, even though it's hard for me to do. The second question is, what are the 3 things that I would really value most about my job? First, of course, is security. I would like to have a secure job in the future so that I won't be so reliant on my mother because, of course, she's a single parent now. And second is how much it pays and how hard it is, depending on how hard it is. But I really wish for it to be on the same level on how hard it is and how much money it would give me. That's important to me in my job. And third is, I think, time. I would like to have a job during the night because I'm really a nocturnal person. That's why I want a job that's mainly happening during the night. And third question is, what are 2 things that could happen on the job that would cause me to resign? Really hard question because I would be a really hard person to kick out of a job. Maybe if I created a lot of enemies, maybe I'd resign, or maybe a very very bad situation is happening in the office and I can't handle that. Maybe that would cause me to resign as well. That's just me. And fourth is, how would I like my boss to think about me? Of course, I would like my boss to think about me as someone reliant, someone he can leave and still think that I would work on my own, and as an honest person. And that's how I would like my boss to think about me in the workplace. And the last question is, how would I regard time conflicts between my family and my profession? Well, in the first place, my family is more important than my profession for me. And if there ever comes a time that I would choose between my family and my work, I would definitely choose my family because my time with my family can never be replaced by anything. I'm sorry, I'm sick right now. So yeah, I would really pick my family over my profession. Whatever happens, I would like to go to my family rather than work. Because time with my family is, with any family, I think everyone should know that your time with your family is more precious than your time at work. And for the extra questions, which is first is, what are the ideas or thoughts that struck you the most in our class? I think the one that most struck me is when we analyzed ourselves in the class. I think I found out many things about myself that I didn't really know back then than I do now, and how much weak I am and how much I can improve on myself, really. And that really are the ones that thoughts that struck me when we were having our class. And the second question is, do you think that you are ready for the workplace? I think I am pretty much ready for the workplace. I would like to work right now but I can't because I'm still studying, but I'm near there. But I think I am ready. And the third question is anything that you want to say. I would would like to say thank you. Lalo na sa'yo, Sir Nates. Thank you po. Marami akong na-realize na hindi ko talaga na-realize dati na dapat talaga mag-reflect pa ako more. Lalo na, nag-graduating na ako. Yun lang po. And thank you very much and see you around school.